was the idea of the rational zero test. Now let me extend the concept a little bit more. It's just about saving time on finding the rational zero test. What if, say, you have something like 12 out of 6? Oh boy, even though it's doable, but it's gonna be a lot of possibility in here. The factor of 12 is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, right? And then the factors of 6 is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 6. And then you look for all combinations, it's gonna be a lot. Now, and then don't forget the plus and minus sign. It's gonna be quite a number of possibilities that you have to test, but come on, it's still doable, okay? In here, I'm going to show you some ways that try to figure out or at least eliminate some impossible possibility, and you're going to get to the answer quicker. How about this example? Depends on the example. This example right here. The key that you should look at is out the book, by the way. The key that you should look at is what? Look at the coefficient. See, some properties come out of it that help you to get to the answer quicker. And this particular example right here, you see that all the coefficients are positive, right? 2, 7, 6, 1, they're all positive. So, and we are looking for the value of x. So when we look in that value of x, we're going to get 0 come out. Since all the coefficients are positive, we should not try the positive number for x, because it doesn't matter what x is. If it's positive, all terms right here will be positive, and you will not get 0 come out. So instead of 4 possibility plus or minus 1 plus or minus 1/2, we don't take the positive. We only test for negative. Then our work gonna be cut in half, gonna be quicker. Okay? And we know that -1 is the good answer. Let me give you one more example on this. Alright, how about this? F of x equal to, how about 4x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 9. So it gives you another example. Alright? And the rational zero test say what? You want to find our first rational zero, you're going to take the last coefficient divided by the first coefficient. So I'm going to have 9 over 4. And I'm going to look for all the factors of 9, which are 1, 3, and 9. Look for all the factors of 4, which is 1, 2, and 4. Now I'm going to look for all the combinations. I've got 1 over 1, which is 1, 3 over 1, which is 3, 9 over 1, which is 9, then 1/2, and then 3/2, then 9 over 2, and then 1/4, and then 3/4, and then 9 over 4, and then plus or minus. Oh boy, we have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 3, so like 18 possibilities. And it's going to take us time to test all the 6 times 3, 18 numbers to find the good one. Okay? So is any faster way? Good. In this example, the answer is still another yes. Same hint. Look at the coefficient one more time. See what we have in here. We have 4, -5, -8, and 9. Guess what? You add all the coefficient up, see what you got. 4 minus 9 minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 0. All the coefficient add up equal to 0. It tells you that x equal to 1 will be the good choice. Why is that? Think of it. Look at x equal to 1. You got what? 4 times 1 cubed is 4, and then what? 1 is 5, 1 squared is just 5, right? So it's really that number. This is really f of 1, which is equal to 0. See? 1 in, 0 out. So x equal to 1 is a good choice. We're going to test that, right? X equal to 1. 4, -5, -8, 9. Drop the 4 down. 4 times 1 is 4. -5 is -1. Times 1 is -1. -8 is -9. Times 1 is -9. 0. See? So remember 0. This is what you're looking for. And this is your quotient. So 4x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 9 going to be equal to x minus 1, because times 4x squared minus x minus 9. Because 1 is a 0, so the factor is going to be x minus 1. You have this, right? And of course this is quadratic. Later on, we're going to find another 2 zeros in here, but that's not too hard. Just use quadratic formula, you have it. And that is a rational zero test. So let me summarize the second part. The rational zero test is a test that helps you to try out a luck to find the first rational zero of a polynomial function. The main idea is to take the last coefficient, make a fraction with the first coefficient, and then we look for all the combination of all the possible rational zeros, and we test every single one of those to find the correct answer. Keep in mind, you may have more than one, or you may not have any, but we try them all, okay? Just hopefully we're going to get one. And I'll show you some of my 2 cent experience on working with those stuff. Instead of trying them all, I will first looking at the coefficient. Hopefully I can see some nice result coming out. Say, for example, all positive coefficient, you cut it in half, we only try the negative rational numbers, or if our coefficient add up equal to 0, and you know right away 1 is a 0. And that is the end of section 2.3 for today. Thank you for watching, guys.